Probably.
The thing is,
That was 5 laps.
between 85 and 95, it takes a
Forever.
long time.
Forever.
You're gonna be on the throttle just waiting
And watch the fuel.
and waiting. All right.
Landing flat.
They still whip, huh?
Huh?
They still whip.
Not really. I mean, the F-15 goes straight.
That's why I used to lower my rates on the
Yeah.
school. Because I hate it. Every time I take off, they do this.
No.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
Mine usually does pretty good. I have
I
high
used to
expo.
lower all the time.
I have high expo.
You always have it high. I know, I remember.
I'll go behind you.
That's pretty good. Pretty good, man. It doesn't move at all. Oh,
Nope.
shit.
Flaps up. Gear up.
My high performance takeoff.
Yeah, that was a straight up. Watch it, there's a bird right now.
I see him. I
crossing.
see him right there. He's across.
Yeah, these are bullets, man.
Yeah.
They used to call them in India.
The flying casket.
Yeah, flying coffins.
Coffin, yeah.
Yeah. They take off, they fly, but when they land, they kill.
Bam! They kill the pilot.
Every single one.
Man, kill deer, get out of here.
Got them guys, man. It's so fast they couldn't stop them.
Right.
They couldn't stop
They
them.
land at like 160 miles an
Yeah,
hour.
Of course. How? Impossible, man.
The Mig-21.
Yeah, like 100.
Yeah, these the 21s. Yeah.
It lands at like
They
170
could
miles an
never
hour.
land them right. They always kill themselves. Every single one.
Yeah.
And it's the only country that has them. You know that. The
Romanians
they paint
too.
them, yeah, they paint them pink. Pink.
India.
Yeah. I'm like, what the hell? And they were designed to
They're
go
interceptors.
fast. That's
Interceptors, yeah.
exactly. I don't think they ever thought about, okay, so how can we slow down this airplane?
No, the Bolivians and Romanians, they did. If you look up videos, you can see it. They upgraded the avionics.
Yeah, they're arrows.
It's a better plane now.
Yeah, they're arrows. Once they take off, oh my god, shit, man. I don't think they have cannons.
Yeah, I don't think they do.
I think that what they have is bombs, right?
They have missiles and bombs. That's it. No
Missiles,
cannon.
yeah.
Dude, Frank, you're flying like a crazy
Yeah,
person.
I know, I can see it.
Jeez.
He's playing with you.
I can't even catch you.
He's playing with you, man.
I'm gonna have to hang out here and wait for you.
Seriously? Not able to catch me?
Well, you just turned, man. Come on, it's a smaller airplane. You just turned and he was going by.
See, I'm back on you, but I just got to figure out where you are.
Yeah, when he turns, there's no way.
Alright.
It's a smaller.
That's the thing. That's the thing about the MiG. It's actually longer than the F-15.
Yeah, it is.
How are we landing?
Time remaining.
However you want.
I don't feel any wind at all. That I think it's from the left. I see the fact. It's from the
9,
left.
8,
It's
7,
from the left.
6,
So you have to come from the right.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
It moves.
I know it moves.
Well, it's straight Frank on his way in.
You wanna scare Frank, man.
Oh, I won't. Frank won't flinch.
That's pretty good. That was a terrible landing.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, you just dropped it.
Because I had
Gear
full
down.
flap and I was just like...
You have the brake also. I can see
Landing
it.
flat.
All right, here I come.
These are I've never seen it land. Never.
It's a steep approach.
I did the same thing.
Oh wow. Oh, you have to keep the nose up, shit.
And it does it. That's the crazy thing. It doesn't look like it would.
This turns quick.
Too quick. If you're
I
not,
guess it's a full stab. If you hit it, it just goes.
boom, yeah.
It just turns.
And the 21 that didn't make it a full stop.
No, don't eat it. Dude, this thing whips like crazy. I didn't do high alpha. I didn't do
It was a full stop.
anything supersonic is full stab. But
It was a full stop the one I had.
you got it, the alpha. You got to see the high alpha on this though.
It was a full stop. That shit, every time I launched it, I was going like this.
Remember that guy that bought
I showed
it?
it to him. The Indian guy says, "Oh, I can fly it, okay?" He dropped something, runs the shit.
Once he was done, yeah.
Not my problem. I sold it already.
I told you that it was gonna be.
I remember that. The silver one.
Yeah, that thing was fast. And I built it fast too. I didn't have to